Hello friends, welcome back to AutoCAD tutorial. Today we are going to start with our fifth lecture. If you are having watched 1 to 4 series of this AutoCAD tutorial, please go ahead and watch that videos. Today we are going to with 3D commands. Here are some of the 3D commands which we will be discussing. First one is thicken. Thicken command is used for a 3D solids where to give a thickness of any object. Here you can see a circular object. Here we have given the thickness to the circular object. Polysolid. If we need to prepare a 3D walls, polysolid command is used, which you can see in the 3D form. Volume command. Volume commands gives a lot of informations such as moment of inertia, radius of gyration, centroid, etc. for the selected objects. So it is useful for getting the properties of objects. X-edge. To extract the edge of 3D solids. Here you can see the edge of object selected. We can extract the edges. Surf offset. To get any surface inside or outside or both sides of the surfaces using surf offset, which is similar to our 2D command offset. Section plane. In a 3D drawings, the sectioning of different plane can be done using section plane. Here is one plane showing the section plane of this selected object. Flat shot. Here 3D drawings can be viewed in top, front and isometric views using flat shot. So this command you can get the images of the object in any views. Here you can see the object in this XYZ views you can get using flat shot. Interfere. Interfere to intersecting 3D solids. Here you can see the cylinder is shown with a inserted conical shape. We cannot view the conical shape, but using interfere you can get the intersection lines of cone which is inserted in the cylinder. Solid edit. Solid edit command is used for this cell. Here you can see the 3D solid which can be edited using this extrude, move, rotation, offset, taper, delete, copy, color, material. You can use any of these properties to edit our 3D objects. Surf patch. To fill the open area of the surface. Here you can see the open area. It is filled using surf patch command. So surf patch command is used to fill the open area of surface. Helix. Helix command is used to get the helix shape in the AutoCAD drawings. Solid hist. Solid hist to subtract operation is performed in the two objects. Here you can see the separated object you can see in the images. Surf trim. Surf trim is to trim the surface in 3D drawings. Here you can see the object trimmed of circular shape, which is shown in the figure, which works similar to in 3D to 2D trim. Project geometry. To project a 2D curves into a 3D surface, solids or region. Here you can see the 2D object curve on a 3D surface. Extrude, press, pull and sweep. Extrude command is used to get any object in a 3D form with any thickness, height or any dimension. Here you can see the wall is being constructed using extrude command. In the next figure you can see the press pull command is used to get the rod inserted in this vertical column. And sweep command, here you can see a pipe like structure which is formed using the sweep command. Here you can see the 2D linear object which is converted into 3D using sweep. Thank you guys. Thank you for listening. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye. See you.